Hey guys, today is going to be a Weight Watchers Freestyle grocery haul. So I'm going to show you how I go ahead and stay on a budget for me and my family while being on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. If that's something you guys are interested in, please stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny.
Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today, like I said, we are going to do a grocery haul. I went ahead and put a poll on my Instagram. If you guys do not follow me, I will link it right here and also below. And I asked if you guys wanted to see either a full day of eating or a grocery haul, and the grocery haul has won. So I went ahead and did my groceries for the week, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I stay on budget but also eat with Weight Watchers on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. I know sometimes choosing a healthier way of eating can be more pricey, and I want to kind of show you how I stick within my budget for a larger family. There's 5 of us, and my husband is back to keto, so that's also a little bit more of a pricier way of eating. So I want to show you how I kind of get the most bang for my buck. I'm also going to go ahead and show you how I kind of keep the household running. You know, it's not just food that runs a house. We got all the other little things that tend to creep up. So if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle and we do everything here. And I would love if you guys would stick around and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys will be informed every time I upload a video, which I tend to do a few times a week. Alright guys, let me go ahead and jump into this video. Alright, so I have my haul divided amongst stores. So we went to 2 different stores today. I did Target and I did Aldi, which are usually my staples. I like going to Target because of the Cartwheel app. If you guys do not have the Cartwheel app, I highly recommend you do so. You go, you scan things. So how I do it is I'll scan items, and then if it's not the item that I have in my hand, I kind of scroll up and it will tell you on there what other items are on sale that are in the same category. So I always try to get the most bang for my buck. Also, I coupon clip. I've been doing that recently, and I've really noticed it has saved me a lot of money, especially in like the household essentials item. You know, these things, they run out and they're not cheap, unfortunately, and we need them to keep the house going. So I try, my tips and tricks is to never wait until everything runs out. You know, if you just kind of try to replenish it before, you know, every other trip I'll pick a couple things and I'll buy them. So what I did was I went ahead and I picked up these Bounty paper towels. These were on Cartwheel. I think I got them for like $4.50. And then I went ahead and picked up some toilet paper because we need it, obviously. And this was the better buy because it was the Up and Up brand, and that's like the Target. So I was running low on laundry detergent, so I had a coupon that basically gave me $3 off of 2 Gain items. So the Gain detergent, I went ahead and picked the Island Fresh scent. That was on sale I think for $14, and this was on sale for $3, and then I used my coupon, so it basically came out to be like $1. So it wasn't too bad, and they didn't have I got the Tropical Sunrise in this scent. They didn't have one to match. And then I was running low on dish detergent, so I went ahead and picked up this Gain one, and it's in the Honeyberry Hula, and it was 25 cents off on the Cartwheel, and it was also, I had a 50-cent off coupon, so I only paid, I think, 75 cents for this. And then I went ahead and we're running low on body wash. There's quite a few of us in here. So I picked up this one because I had a coupon for it and it was on Cartwheel. So for the soft soap, for this I paid I think $1.25 for. And then I had a coupon off of this and it was on Cartwheel. So I think I only paid 20 cents for that. Gotta save all the little pennies, guys, all the little pennies. And then the girls needed some toothpaste. I had a coupon for this, so I think I only paid $2 for that. I went with this one because like they make such a mess, so hopefully this makes like a better, like it's not all over the place. Like their one that we have now is like covered in toothpaste. And the girls needed new toothbrushes, so this is the ones they picked out. It's the ones that light up. And those weren't on coupon or anything. Or this one wasn't on coupon. And then me and Ray were running low on razors, so I went ahead and picked these up. I ended up getting these on with a coupon, and I think I only paid like $3 for them, so not too bad. These were not, I think they were on sale for 2 for $3, And Rhea really enjoys these, and they're super Weight Watchers friendly. They're the Well Yes soups. This is the chicken noodle soup. For the whole can is 2 points, and it's a quick, easy meal for her. You know, it takes the guesswork out of everything. So I picked up 2 of those for her, and then I had a coupon, and these were on sale, so I got this whole box for $3, and they're the Jimmy Dean biscuit sandwiches. 14 points, guys. Will never ever eat these. I can't. They smell good when I make them, but just no way. So for my whole total here was about 40 bucks. Going over to Aldi, just a little disclaimer. I do watch my friend's daughter once a week, and I like to have little treats and stuff for her and Rebecca. They're the same age, and you know, it's just something fun. And I buy these, you know, like these chips and stuff like that for the kids' lunches, but I portion control them. Even for Sophia, I portion control everything. So I went ahead and I picked up these Clancy chips, like just the plain wavy ones. 5 points for 13 chips. I don't think it's worth it, but hey. Then I got these ranch ones. They're delicious. I did have them on one of my cheat days. 4 points for 1 ounce. I don't think that's too bad. It's a pretty good size, and Rhea can bring them to school with her friends and stuff. And I want her to really enjoy life, and I think that's the beauty of Weight Watchers, is that, you know, you don't have to, like, everybody doesn't notice you're on a diet because you're eating nothing but salads and chicken breasts. Like, you can eat regular food and, you know, still see the weight loss. So, and I really think it's helping, you know, Rhea obtain some realistic good eating habits. So I went ahead and picked those up. And then I got some veggies. I got these sweet peppers. I could just snack on these this way, or I cut them up and I'll make like a skillet with them. I love them. They are so, so good, and they are 0 points. I picked up some green bananas, but yeah, I got some bananas. Those are 0 points. Some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. 0 points. 2 mangoes. These are for the kids. 0 points. 2 avocados. They're not just ready yet, but avocado, I think it's like 5 or 6 points. I'm not too sure. I haven't really ate them. There you go. Haven't really ate them since I've been on Weight Watchers, but I might have some avocado toast. So be on the lookout. Cantaloupe, and that's 0. Some nectarines for 0, and some cuties for 0. So I like to have a lot of fresh fruit and veggies on hand for my family. The kids are having hot dogs and mac and cheese. I mean the 2 little ones, because I'm having spaghetti squash for dinner and they won't eat it. So this is what they're having. And guys, you see the points? Let me bring it up closer. 10 points for 98 grams of this stuff. I can't believe it. Never in my life. I got some hot dog buns, 4 points for 1 hot dog bun. Some paper plates, because, you know, some people just get tired of dishes. And like I said before, we do not have a dishwasher. I'm making some homemade marinara sauce, so I got some crushed tomatoes. I picked up some seasoning because I'm running low. I got some oregano and some basil. I picked up these cinnamon rolls. I'm going to make them tomorrow before my friend's daughter comes so they can have them for breakfast. Cinnamon rolls, 6 points for 1 roll. I really don't think that's too bad. If, you know, you had some extra weeklies and for one, just, you know, a little sweet treat. And they're pretty good. And they're super cheap. I got these little carbonated beverages. I got 2 of them already, but I had 1. Love these. They're so good. And they really help me with, like, my pop fix. I got some drop-ins. We went ahead and got this fruit punch one. And Leo wanted to try the iced tea with lemon. Those are 0. Leo picked up some aloe vera water. I've heard, like, remarkable things about this. I'm not going to try it, but he's going to try it. I'll let you know how it goes. I've used aloe vera for my skin, but never drink it. You guys know my ultimate jam. These pepper jack, like Laughing Cow cheese things. Oh, they're so good. 1 point. Then I got some hot dogs for the kids for dinner tonight. 5 points for 1 hot dog. No thanks. I got these pretzel slims, the everything ones. So good, especially if you want to have these with, and then like dip them in this. Oh, the best snack ever. 3 points, 1 ounce. I mean, guys, these 2 together, life-changing. If you guys are like looking for a good snack. And I mean, there's only 1 carb in here and 23 in here. I mean, a little high in carbs, but hey, you know. not too bad. And that's only 4 points for like a chips and dip type deal. And then I went ahead and I picked up some of these wheat crackers. 3 points for 5 crackers. So they're pretty good. Rhea likes them. I picked up these meatballs. Like I said, Leo's really getting back into keto, and these are pretty good because they have a small amount of carbs in there. They're 8 points for 6 meatballs. They're really tasty and they're really filling, and I mean, it's almost, I think it's worth it, guys. So if you guys are looking to have like a spaghetti and meatball, I would totally do this. These are awesome. You know, Becky loves those honey buns for 9 points. I don't know, I couldn't do it, but I just put the points on just in case you guys were wondering. And then down here, I have some fresh ground turkey. I haven't tried the ground turkey from Aldi, so I decided to buy one and see how it goes. 3 points for 4 ounces, so not too bad. I got these also. I've never bought like salmon from there, so I decided to give it a try. It's the wild caught pink salmon fillets. It does have the skin on, but it's boneless. So what I do is like when I cook it on the foil, the skin usually sticks to the foil, so because the skin grosses me out. But since Lent is over, I don't really see buying a big portion of it, so I just got one of these for myself. They are 0 points. Leo absolutely loves these. If you guys watched my cook with me the other day, and I made, or my full day of eating when I made those beef sandwiches, they have sandwiches here called combos, and they will combine that beef that I made, and they also put these Italian sausage in them, and they serve them on like on that bread. So good. It's a little kind of too filling for me, but if you guys ever wanted to try it, you would love it. So Leo found these Bona beef sausages, the hot ones. 4 points for 1 sausage, and they're pretty good. And all the other like turkey sausage and chicken sausage are the same thing. So I might actually try one and let you guys know, but Leo loves them. And then my turkey bacon, I eat turkey bacon almost every day. So I eat 4 slices for 3 points, and it's so good, guys. And then I went ahead and bought this turkey breakfast sausage. 3 points for 2 ounces, which is a pretty good amount. And I kind of just miss breakfast sausage, like a scramble. So that's why I figured I'll do with that. Make it like kind of a breakfast scramble burrito type deal. I used to always get this when I was keto. And I'm going to start, you know, like I said, I want to try to meal prep for Leo so he sticks to it. And he loves this sausage. So it's not too bad. It's very greasy though. 5 points for 2 ounces. I mean, but it's pretty good. So if you guys wanted to try it. The girls like to have these pancakes in the morning, Rebecca and Sophia. So I picked these up for them. 8 points for the little 3-pack. Not worth it. And then I picked up some apple juice for Rebecca and my friend's daughter, so they have a little juice to have. And I dilute it too, so I don't ever drink juice like this, so I didn't even bother to write down the points. So, and I also got this string cheese. I don't know if I showed you. I love the string cheese just because it's low carb and it helps you get your protein. What else I eat other than the string cheese is the low-fat cottage cheese. That also is pretty low in carbs and higher in protein. And I just do a little bit of salt and pepper, and I enjoy it. So it's really good. I'm planning on doing like a chicken cordon bleu with these string cheeses. So stay tuned for a full day of eating with me, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it and kind of, hopefully it comes out okay. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap this haul up. Hopefully you guys got a few like pointers, or maybe some things that you've been wanting to try and haven't, or maybe some other things to look for at Aldi. I always like to watch these videos because sometimes like Aldi, it's kind of, you kind of have to search for things. So when I see other people and I'm like, man, I want to try that. Look at how low the points are. Or they said it's really good or whatever. So hopefully I can give you guys some ideas on maybe what to pick up at your next grocery trip. Yeah, so hey, let me ask you this. What are your favorite things that you get from like Aldi? Like what is your favorite thing to pick up that every time you go you have to make sure you pick it up? Mine for sure has to be those pepper jack cheeses. I love them. I think it really just, oh, they're so good. I can put them on anything and it makes it taste good. I just love them. Alright guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. And thank you for hanging out with me. I'm going to put these groceries away and just try to continue on with the rest of this day. Alright guys, see you later.
Tonight we're